How are
Key
you?
extraction.
My name's Miles.
Hi, Miles.
Nice to meet you.
So my 11-year-old broke his key in the door.
Okay.
You can still see it.
Oh yeah. Yeah, let me try and work on getting it out first, and that's how you extract a key. Okay, now let's let the customer know that we're all done. Works and everything.
Yeah, it works.
Cool.
Great.
Perfect. Yeah. All right. You're all set, man. Yes, ma'am.
All right, awesome.
All right. Yep. And if you have any other troubles with locks or anything, you get locked out of your car, just let me know.
Awesome.
I can come help you. Of course. Have a good rest of your evening.